What chapter chemical reaction and equation? chemical reaction. Chemical reaction are the process in which new substances with new properties are formed. Example H plus O2 is equal to H2O. What is chemical equation? A chemical reaction can be represented by chemical equation. It involves use of symbols, substances of reaction and product with mention of physical state. Example 2Mg plus O2, 2MgO. Why to balance a equation? The number of atom of element on both sides of chemical equation should be equal with law of conversion of mass. State in two observation in an activity suggest the occurrence of chemical reaction. First, change in temperature. Second, change in color. How will you test for the gas which is liberated when HCl react with a active metal? When HCl react with a metal, hydrogen gas will be evolved. To let this gas insert a burning spoiler into a outlet of gas, the flame will be introduced with a pop sound. This will confirm the gas of hydrogen like a popping sound. Method of writing chemical equation. Reactants are written in the left side. If there are two or more than two reactants, they are written with plus sign, मतलब positive sign. Formula written as right side. The sign given between the reactants and products and reactants. At last, the number of atom is formed. Number in the at last the number of atom in formula both the side is are balanced. Both the sides are in balanced. What is chemical equation? Simple. This is not a. First, I have told that. What is chemical equation? Please learn that. Chemical equation. The chemical reaction can be represented by chemical equation. It involves uses of symbol of substances of reactants and product mention of physical state. 2Mg plus O2 2Mg. This is a balance equation. This is called a balance equation. Our next topic. Some important theory. This question on the reaction of carbon with oxygen. Carbon burnt in the air. Yeah, you see that reaction of carbon with oxygen, मतलब O2. When carbon is burnt in the air, carbon dioxide gas is formed. C plus O2, CO2 in air. CaCO3 heats CaCO plus CO2. Calcium carbonate is heated up. So calcium oxide and calcium dioxide are formed. These are few example. Learn that example, please. Characteristics of chemical change or reactant. Formation of precipitate. The precipitate is a solid substance formed on mixing two substances. For example, PbNO3 twice plus 2Kl 2PbI 2 his release up and 2KNO3 in yellow color. This is some example. Please pause the video and writing them. This is formula also. Keep the mind while balancing a equation. That's some important question. How to balance a chemical equation and what information convert by chemical equation and what it means. Only write what is balance equation and give example. This question. Last topic, types of chemical reaction. This is last topic about types of chemical reaction. First, combination reaction. Those reaction in which two or more substances combine to form a single substance. Example, 2 Mg plus O2 2 MgO. Combination reaction. Decomposition reaction. Those reaction in which a compound split up into two or more simple substances. Example, CaCO3 is equal to CaO plus CO2. Displacement reaction. Those reaction in which one element takes the place of another element in a compound. Example, CuSO4 plus Mg, MgSO4 plus Cu. Please see that. Three types of reaction. Double displacement reaction. Those reaction in which two compounds react by exchange of ions to form two or new compound. Those reaction in which two compounds react by exchange of ions to form two compound. Example, BaCl2 plus NO2, BaSO4 plus NaCl. This is NaCl. BaCl plus Na is equal to BaSO4 plus 2NaCl. AgNO3 plus NaCl, AgCl plus NaNO3. Oxidation reaction, very easy. Oxidation, added of oxygen, and reduction, the add of hydrogen. In oxidation, loss of electron and gain of electron, GOE. In reduction, important thing. My please. Thank you.